Hello everyone. So cockroaches are undoubtedly the most despised pest on the face of the earth. Not only are they carriers of diseases, but they are also indicative of an unhygienic environment. And let's not forget the fact that they can fly too. Households are easy targets for these pesky creatures, and they mostly infest the kitchen or anywhere they think that they can thrive. It's no wonder people always search for home remedies for cockroaches. They multiply at an alarming rate, and it is important to control them while you can. While professional pest control is a great way, we have some natural Indian home remedies as well as prevention tips that you can start with. These methods involve things that are usually available at home. So let's get started. The first one in the list is boric acid. Boric acid is believed to be one of the best home remedies for cockroaches. For best results, dust a little bit of this powder in corners and floors and let it sit while roaches come in contact with it and die. Boric acid is not effective when it is wet. A word of caution here, this powder is poisonous and should be kept out of reach of children and pets at all times. The second one in the list is baking soda. This method is a classic example of the fish and bait technique. A combination of baking soda and sugar is an effective way to control the multiplication of these pests. Sugar acts as a bait to attract cockroaches, and the baking soda will kill them. You just need to identify their hideouts and sprinkle this mixture in those corners. Three in the list is neem. Neem has been used as a desi natural remedy for a lot of things including pests over the years. Neem oil or powder contains potent components that can kill cockroaches. To use it in oil form, mix a small amount of neem oil with water in a spray bottle and spray it in places where you have spotted these pests. However, if you are using neem powder, all you need to do is sprinkle it in cockroach infested areas at night and repeat the process in the morning. Number 4 is peppermint oil. Essential oils are easy to find nowadays, and who knew these are useful in so many ways. Peppermint oil is one of the most effective essential oils for keeping cockroaches at bay. Make a mixture of soil water and peppermint oil and spray it on the infested areas at home. You will notice a difference after continuous application. The fifth one in the list is bay leaves. Did you know raiding your spice cabinet can help you get rid of cockroaches? If you have a soft spot for these pesky pests and you do not want to kill them, then this trick might help you. Crush some bay leaves and sprinkle them in your cupboards or wherever you spot them often. Alternatively, you can boil some leaves and spray the water in infested corners. This desi tactic should keep them at bay. Number 6 is fabric softener. If you're looking for an alternative for market repellents, then try mixing fabric softener with water and store it in a spray bottle. Whenever you spot a cockroach, spray this mixture on it directly and watch it die. But this might not be the best solution for large-scale infestation. So this is it, and I hope that these home remedies help you out in getting rid of cockroaches from your homes. And also, if you have got some other tricks and techniques, then do write it down in the comment section below. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.